All right, second ending. We just before the stream, before we watched this episode, we saw I finally checked out the music video for the last ending, and that shit was pretty cold. Pretty cold. Like I loved it visually. I love the ending as a whole anyway. And it's time for ending 2. Because we're about to get a lot of endings. I low-key forgot about that until today. I low-key forgot about that. But ending 2, let's get into it. Okay. Damn. Oh, I love the art style work change up. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. Look at Power. Doing absolutely nothing. Love it. Okay. Yeah. Hold up. No, this joint is a vibe. I'm feeling this. Uh-oh. Woof woof. Don't look at me like that. This shit beautiful, man. Oh, bro. Okay. This is like the perfect ending too. I'm not gonna lie. But you know, it just marches up with the episode. I love it. Ooh, sunlight. Amazing ending. Amazing goddamn ending all around. You know what I'm saying? I feel like, damn, we might not miss with this the Chainsaw Man endings here. I can't wait to check out the music video. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section down below, ladies and gentlemen. How you guys feeling about the ending? I guess we could just do a little ending 1 versus ending 2 kind of thing, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys next week for ending 3. So far, we're 2 for 2. No misses. Indeed.